Hello YouTube, it's the Faceless Foodie. Today I'll be reviewing a very popular ramen chain in Japan called ICHIRAN Ramen. What I love about this place is that it's open 24 hours a day. This particular location is in Shinjuku, Japan, and it was the very first restaurant that my wife and I went to when we arrived in Japan. You can find this ramen chain in practically all the major cities in Japan, and it's highly rated consistently across all cities. Like most ramen shops in Japan, you'll make your purchase at a machine which then dispenses a ticket order. Later hand this ticket order to an employee in order to get your food. What's pretty cool about Ichiran is that it provides you with an order form which allows you to specify exactly how you want your ramen to be made. You can adjust anything from how flavorful the broth is to the texture of the noodles. If you can tell from the video, there's a divider between my wife and I which I collapsed so we can see and speak to one another. For those who want a solo dining experience, go ahead and open up the divider. Also, don't worry about bugging your waiter for water as you have refills right at your fingertips. Now it's time to eat. Look at that delicious tonkatsu broth. It's made by boiling pork bones for many hours. Look at the center and you'll see a spicy red sauce. It's called the Togarashi pepper blend and it's made from combining over 30 different spices and then slowly aging it to perfection. Try not to laugh, but here you'll see my wife trying to crack a boiled egg, which we thought was a raw egg, into the bowl of ramen.
I guess you're supposed to feel it up.
Good thing I was able to learn from her mistake. Yay yay. Time to dig in. Don't judge, I know I hold chopsticks in a funny manner, but hey, it works for me. I believe these are called wood ear mushrooms. They have a very nice crunch and texture. The tonkatsu broth was incredibly rich and flavorful without being too heavy. Look at those beautiful oils extracted from the pork bones. You can tell there was a lot of love put into this dish. The only gripe I had was that the noodles were a little too thin for my liking, but overall, this is a solid 8 out of 10, and you should definitely check out Ichiran if you ever come to Japan. Hope you enjoyed the video.